Hostaway tutorial for beginners, how to use Hostaway for property management. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to go to any web browser and then type Hostaway, and this is what it looks like. So basically, this is your Hostaway homepage. Grow your business with Hostaway's all-in-one vacation rental software. So if you want to know more about this, you can also go to Hotel Minder and look for any reviews, any information such as the pricing, also the marketplace rating, and review score in order for you to know if you want to proceed with this Hostaway. So it's very important to look at the reviews first, the pricing and everything. And you could also talk to an agent or expert to ask for any questions about this platform. So once you're convinced, then you can go back to Hostaway and then try to get or request a demo before you log in. You need to request a demo, undergo training, sign up, and then create an account. So the property management in Hostaway can be very useful, especially for property owners, managers, and tenants. Hostaway provides a platform that simplifies various aspects of property management. You can see your automation tools, communication, artificial intelligence, marketing, operations, services, analytics, and reporting. But since our tutorial is all about the property management, so we will be focusing on each property management software, reservation manager, performance dashboard, and CRM and lead management. So basically, before you sign up here in Hostway, you need first to request a demo. Okay, so you have to click this requested demo right here, and then all you have to do is to enter your email address, your full name, and then book for a free demo. Now they will just email you, and then you can now start the training or attend the seminar. So why do successful property managers trust Hostaway? So basically, it saves 60 minutes per reservation, 400 times listing growth, 20% plus more revenue, and trusted by thousands of successful vacation rental property managers globally. So basically, once you're okay with that, you just have to wait for your demo. And then once you're done with everything, then you can now sign up and then log in here on their official website. So basically, this is the Hostway dashboard. Log in, and they just need your email address and password, but of course you cannot sign up here or sign in here if you haven't created an account yet. So new to Hostway, get started, you can click here. As you can see, a free demo now, so you can just basically sign up, unlike other platform, but you know everything is worth it, so you need to try the demo first and then sign up. So basically, once you get started, and then you can now go directly and log into your account. So if you want to see the dashboard of Hostaway, so basically this is what it looks like once you're logged into Hostaway. And you will see here the reservations, the calendar, dynamic pricing, custom fields, guest book, coupons, insurance, smart locks. You can see here inbox, also task, reviews, guest payments, also financial reporting, owner statements, listings, channel manager, user management, and booking engine. So basically everything is here once you have sign up or log in or have your Hostaway dashboard or account. So it would be easier for you to gather information of your guest. You can also basically see directly any reservation, also coupons if this person or if this client avail coupons. Also for insurance, you can see also here inbox if there are tons of messages from client or customers asking you a lot of things about the property. Also, you can see your tasks, the reviews, guest payments, and so on. So basically, this is the sample of dashboard or account of or sample dashboard of a Hostaway account. This one here is a sample of an overview. If you tap calendar, you will see here you can manage dates, You can see here also the pricing, information about the room, information about availability, rule sets, calendar notes, and a lot more. So basically, this is what it looks like. This is the advantage. Here, you don't need other applications, you don't need other tools to see more information about a specific reservation or specific information about the client or customer. You could just basically have a Hostaway account and dashboard, and you will see all information right here. And that is the advantage of this tool. Now going back to the site, so these are the advantages of signing up or getting an account here on Hostaway. So more bookings and more business, you can expand reach, automate pricing and messaging, and get the analytics to help you make better decisions. Also, it can save time but grow faster. So automate use repeatable tasks to free up time and grow your business. As what I've mentioned earlier, everything is here is all in one tool or platform. You can write guest communication and listing descriptions in seconds within platform Gen AI. Okay, so Gen AI will help you, you know, not to think a lot, because all you have to do is to just type prompts or just type your idea or ask something on giving a review or what can be your topic with your guest. So Gen AI will help you with that. Prompt guests to leave reviews with automatic reminders. No need to create, no need to think more. Everything is there thanks to Gen AI. Also capture payments and effortlessly keep an eye on financial health. Okay, so do it all in one place. Channel management, PMS calendars, messages, and reviews all managed in one centralized dashboard. So one powerful software that scales with you from 2 to 1,000 listings. Also award-winning 24/7 support team for you when you need it most, especially if you encounter some problems or if there are some conflicts within the schedule or within the room, if you want to change, if you want to transfer. So basically it offers 24/7 support team for you. So yeah, this is the good thing or just a few reasons why you need to try this Hostaway. So as you can see here, optimize pricing and revenue. If you want to also upgrade your plan, there are tons of features that you can unlock. Automated guest communication and task management. Automate 90% of your guest and staff messaging with the help of AI, specifically Gen AI. And intelligent routing. So secure automated payments, capture more revenue with greater protection without lifting a finger. Okay, so these are just a few reasons and advantages of choosing and using this Hostaway, especially for property management. So basically, that's how easy it is to use this Hostaway, especially for beginners.